Hello, good morning students. Welcome you all to after the half yearly exam. Congratulations to all, you have performed very well in the half yearly exam. And now we are going to start the syllabus for the next term. And we will start from the book 2, part 2 of business study. And the first chapter of part 2 is financial management. Dear children, it is a very important chapter, and in little bit it is technical. The students who are in commerce, it is very easy for them to understand this chapter because we are doing all the terms in the accountancy also. So let us start with this chapter. The name of the chapter is financial management. The topics which will we cover in this chapter: concept में क्या होता है? We will do the introduction, we will do the meaning of financial management, introduction of financial management with the objectives of financial management. And after that, in financial management we involve 3 decisions, meaning of those decisions as well as the factors of those decisions. Then the third concept which will we cover, that is financial planning and its importance. Then capital structure, its meaning as well as the factors which will affect the capital structure. Then fixed and working capital concept and its factor. So in nutshell, in this chapter, what is important? For each and every concept you have to do the factors affecting those concept. अभी इसमें कुछ आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा. We will do one by one each and every concept and we will do the detail of the concept. So let us start with the meaning and the introduction of financial management. क्या होता है financial management? Dear students, you know every business needs some finance, and if that finance is not managed properly, then that business cannot be successful. It is very much indispensable part of growth of the business. Now, what is finance? We will do the definition. In this unit, we will do the definition of business finance. क्या होता है business finance? Money required for carrying out the business activity is called business finance. Almost all business activities required finance. आपको पता है कि जो भी business में काम करना है, we need finance. And finance is needed for what purpose? It is required for purchasing the fixed asset. Fixed assets can be categorized tangible and intangible. I think everybody knows what are the fixed assets. What are the tangible assets? For example, machine, building, land and other equipment comes under the tangible asset. Intangible asset, goodwill, patents. So for this, all these things, for purchasing all the things in the business, finance is required. Then finance is also required for maintaining the working capital. Working capital. What is working capital? The money which is required in the business for day-to-day operation is called as working capital. For example, buying of material, paying bills, salaries, collecting cash from customers. This comes under the working capital. So I think everybody know what is the business finance. So in one line, what we can do? Business finance is that finance which is required for carrying out the business activity, whether operational or non-operational. So it is very much important part. You should know कि क्यों हमें business finance चाहिए. अब हमें business finance तो इसलिए चाहिए. Now how to manage this business finance? So let us start with the definition of financial management. Financial management includes those business activities that are concerned with acquisition and conservation of capital fund in meeting the financial needs and overall objective of a business enterprises. क्या होता है फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट कि जो हमें बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज के लिए फंड की रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको एक्वायर करना, कैपिटल फंड में उसको रिजर्व रखना और फाइनेंशियल नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए वी नीड द बिजनेस फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट. इन वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज, इन सिंपल मीनिंग वी कैन लर्न optimal procurement of finance as well as optimum usage of finance is called financial management. So you can learn this definition of financial management also. कि financial management means it is concerned with optimal procurement as well as optimum usage. Now what is optimal procurement? कि बेटे जब हम finance कहीं से लेते हैं, in that we need कि there should be less cost of getting the finance. कि जो भी sources होते हैं फाइनेंस को एक्वायर करने के वो कम कॉस्टली हो. कॉस्टली कम कैसे हो कि उसका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट जो है वो कम होना चाहिए ताकि हम मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कम कर सके, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी को अर्न कर सके. और जो भी फाइनेंस हम प्रोक्योर करते हैं उसको हम ऑप्टिमली यूज कर सकें कि ताकि उसकी वेस्टेज ना हो. सो दिस वाज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट. नाउ वी कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. व्हाट आर द एम ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट? व्हाट इज द एम? व्हाई फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड? अभी मैंने आपको बताया ताकि हम फंड जो अरेंज करते हैं उसकी कॉस्ट को कम से कम में अरेंज करें. रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट ऑफ फंड प्रोक्योर, कीप रिस्क अंडर द कंट्रोल. अगर पैसा नहीं होगा, फाइनेंस को इफेक्टिवली मैनेज नहीं करेंगे तो लॉसेस होंगे, तो रिस्क ज्यादा होगा. सो इट शुड बी मैनेज्ड इन एडवांस. देन अचीव इफेक्टिव एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ फंड कि फाइनेंस को प्रॉपर प्लेस पे प्रॉपर मेथड से उसका यूज करें. और फाइनेंस हमारे पास इंश्योर अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ सफिशिएंट फंड्स व्हाइल अवॉइडिंग आइडल फंड कि हमारे पास इतना फाइनेंस होना चाहिए कि वी शुड नॉट हैव एनी शॉर्टेज. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास शॉर्टेज हो गई फाइनेंस की तो क्या होगा? वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू डे टू डे एक्टिविटी, बिजनेस विल गो इनटू द लॉसेज. और इन द अदर केस इफ देयर विल बी एक्स्ट्रा फाइनेंस व्हाट विल बी देयर, देन उसकी कॉस्ट बिजनेस को अकर करनी पड़ेगी. जिससे क्या होगा? जिससे कि रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा तो क्या होगा? प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी कम होगी. सो द मेन एम ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट टू रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट, टू इंक्रीज द प्रॉफिट बाय ऑप्टिमली प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंस एज वेल एज ऑप्टिमली यूजेज ऑफ फाइनेंस. सो दिस वाज द इंट्रोडक्शन of the financial management. Thank you very much.